shit's been happening all day, Rhonda said. So this freaking bird out. See if he does it again. Yeah, he keeps flying into my damn door. There he's out there. I don't know what the hell his problem is. He's gonna stop since I came over here now. But he did fly into the damn door a minute ago. He's been doing it all day. Now, when I was growing up, I always heard that a bird flying against your door or windows or whatever, trying to get in your house, there was a death coming. Or it could just be bad luck. Definitely if a bird gets in your house, you know someone is going to die, or somebody you know is going to die or something. So don't know if you're real superstitious or not. But he's just out there chilling now. Can't get into zoom in, but he was flying against it here. There he is. Don't know what the deal is, bird, but you stay the hell away from my damn window. Freaking birds. Maybe if I back up, he'll do it again. And when I was out there cutting grass earlier, I didn't see it. And now he's just standing out in the grass. What you want, bird? What you want, bird? Flying against my damn window, trying to bring death upon the family here. What the hell's wrong with you, bird? And now he's bouncing around out there. I'll go back over here a minute and see if he comes back. He might fly back over here. Or he sees me, maybe. I don't know. Damn. Hurry up and fly over here, bird. I gotta piss. I got up and I gotta go to the bathroom. Well, you saw it at the beginning. I was real quiet. But I don't know what the hell he's doing now. Can you see him? He's right there. He's bouncing around now. Check him out. He's over near the shed. Come on, you damn bird. Fly back over here. I'm going to go out there and piss on you is what I'm going to do. Let's leave a minute. Pause this while I go piss, and then I'm going to come back and see if he's flying against it again. Okay, I'm back. Man, I had to pee bad. See if he's over here on the porch. He's been scaring beans all day. I don't see him. Oh no, he's over there. Yep, he's right there. He stopped. He's just chilling. And he's bouncing around. I don't know what the hell's going on with that bird. But as soon as I stop filming, he'll probably start doing this shit again. And he took off. He ain't trying to get in the shed over there, though. The shed's back there. You see the shed? The shed. I can't see him. Yeah, maybe somebody jumped right up here in front of you. Trying to look around. Oh well, death bird, go away. Don't come a-knocking on my door. It's Movie John. I got a death bird on my door.